Hey guys, hope that everyone is fine. Let's cook white sauce pasta. Cut chicken in small pieces. Pour oil in pan. Then add ginger, garlic, and chili paste. Sauté paste in oil for 2 to 3 minutes. Add chicken in it. Place the lid. When chicken water dries, then add salt and black pepper. Cook it. Add milk 1 cup. Then add mayonnaise. Entry of Sunny. Cook until it starts boiling. Add cheese. Cover it for melting. Sunny and Bunny entry for checking what is happening in kitchen. They want to try pasta. Now cheese melt. Add pen pasta. Place some oil in pan and add capsicum. This is optional. Sauté at high flame for few minutes. Add the capsicum in oil. Add capsicum in pasta and mix it well. Here add some more milk because the pasta sauce was thick. Cook until it boils. Add some oregano. Yummy pasta ready.